Imagine you have a remodeling project or wood construction task in hand. In that case, you can't set up your game without an oscillating tool. However, an oscillating tool is nothing without an oscillating blade equipped. So with a perfect oscillating tool blade in your collection, you can take any scrapping, metal cutting, tile sanding, or woodworking job in hand. So in today's video, we'll show you the 7 best oscillating tool blades that hold the toughest build quality and most convenient compatibility. So without wasting more time, let's explore the video.
From DIY projects to product reviews and hacks, Tool Zone is where we test all sorts of gear to offer the most unbiased reviews you'll find anywhere, so that you can make well-informed purchase decisions while avoiding getting ripped off.
Cut all your hardwood, PVC, and drywall with the Milwaukee 4910-9121, a general-purpose oscillating multi-tool blade kit from a reliable brand that holds top-notch teeth for fast and clean cuts. These titanium-enhanced bimetal blades ensure up to 15 times longer life than the regular high-carbon steel blades and are ideal for bringing smooth cuts on a wide variety of materials. Plus, each blade has triple ground Japanese teeth that deliver up to 2 times faster cuts than the previous ones while featuring a pro curve cutting edge for optimum control. Also, this oscillating blade kit features the open lock anchor, letting you change the blades quickly and complete flush cutting pretty easily. It includes 2 1.4-inch titanium-enhanced bimetal blades, 2 1.4-inch Japanese tooth pro curve hardwood blades, and more with a convenient storage case for easy carrying around your job site. Having a black oxide coating on each blade and the most sturdy quality, this Milwaukee 4910-9121 oscillating blade kit will be a good assistant for any homeowner and handyman. Meet the Bosch OSL114F, a Starlock oscillating multi-tool blade that transfers the highest torque with reduced vibration and can compete with the most high-demanding applications. With a unique 3-dimensional fit design, this blade kit will provide you with a complete integrated system between the multi-tool and blades, making it ready for the toughest job. Plus, these Swiss-made blades assure high precision and 30 times longer lifespan than the regular bimetal blades, while featuring strong carbide teeth for high performance in the most demanding professional tasks. Also, each blade comes with a color-coded interface and laser etching, letting you quickly identify the right saw blade for the task at hand. Besides, this multi-tool blade kit works with OIS-compatible tools, including Bosch, Fine, Milwaukee, Makita, and similar brands. From a professional woodworker to a homemaker, this Bosch OSL114F multi-purpose blade will conveniently meet all the needs for your oscillation applications. Take cutting jobs to the next level with the EasyArc oscillating blades, a set of robust blades to cut concrete nails, stainless steel, fiberglass, sheet metal, and more materials. These hardly made carbide blades last 30 times longer than a bimetal blade and have tungsten carbide teeth, making them capable of withstanding the most demanding metal applications at your workplace. Plus, this oscillating multi-tool blade provides a substantial cutting depth of 40 mm and a cutting width of 34 mm, letting you complete all the standard cutting tasks easily. Moreover, you can use these universal quick-release saw blades on numerous oscillating tools, while the B brand and D brand adapters ensure that you'll fit with more multi-tools than any other contestant on the market. So if you're a professional person and don't want to compromise quality and efficiency throughout your rebar cutting, angle steel cutting, and many more tasks, then you should invest your money in these EasyArc oscillating blades. Now get yourself introduced to the WorkPro oscillation saw blades, a highly durable blade set made out of quality steel and compatible with the industry's most oscillating tool brands. Constructed of superior alloy steel with an electrophoretic black coating, this rust-resistant saw blade set is highly heat-treated to ensure your optimum strength for greater longevity. Coming with 23-piece multi-purpose saw blades, this kit helps you meet the different cutting needs such as cutting wood, fiberglass, metal, hardened fillers, and so many more. Apart from that, the quick-release mechanism of each blade allows you to fit them quickly with your definite multi-tool from Rigid, Black & Decker, DEWALT, Milwaukee, Skill, and other brands. In addition to that, this saw blade is also packed with different types of accessories to assist you in scraping, sanding, polishing, grout removing, and many more tasks. Those dealing with multiple oscillation tasks at their job site, including wood and metal, can surely go for this WorkPro oscillation saw blade set to benefit their workflow. Aggressive in the field and with durability in mind, check out the Petcham Oscillating Multi-Tool Saw Blades. The tougher and thicker set of blades with precision cutting design and user-friendly convenience. Made of high-carbon steel and coated with an electrophoretic black finish, these heat-treated blades offer ultimate protection against corrosion and long service life for an incredible cutting experience for years to come. This saw blade set has 7 different types of standard saw blades with standard Japanese teeth so that you can use each one of them for a particular purpose at your workshop or home. With a high-precision cutting design and a universal compatible system, these blades are suitable for fitting with any standard multi-tool in your collection to complete wood, plastics, and metal cutting. Plus, this saw blade kit comes with 2 C-clip adapters, providing you with super user-friendly convenience throughout your whole project. Professionals who are fond of sturdiness and demand durability before buying should keep their eyes on the Petcham Oscillating Blade Set to handle their tasks without any concern. Similar to the previous Petcham blades, here comes the DEWALT DWA4216, a specially designed blade set that comes with universal fitment to use with all the major brands of oscillating tools, while having industry-leading durability. Each of the blades of this set is made out of quality steel to meet all your needs on a wide variety of applications around your job site. The most noticeable thing you'll get with this set is its tough case container, which is durable, customizable, and can fit a wide variety of oscillating tools to keep you well organized. Plus, this blade set features a universal fitment system, meaning you can use it with numerous oscillating tools of different prominent brands like Fine, Bosch, and more. Additionally, the set includes 2 blades for regular wood cutting, one for fast cutting in wood, one for specific flush cuts, and the last one for dealing with all the scraping applications. To sum up, this super compatible DEWALT DWA4216 has uncountable convenient aspects that will take your oscillation tasks to another level and will be worth checking out. Bring the most professional outcome on cutting with the Vtopmart USV M01001, an affordable oscillating blade set that has the highest demand in the oscillating accessory industry and is preferred by most professionals. Made of alloy steel and high carbon steel, these thicker and tougher multi-tool blades are manufactured with special techniques, meaning you'll get maximum durability for a longer lifespan. This 20-piece saw blades kit comes with 6 different purpose saw blades, so you can use each type of blade for a particular purpose like cutting wood, metal, plastic, and all other things. Each blade has a built-in length marker of inch and centimeters on 2 sides so that you can get accurate cuts quickly while you're working at your workshop or on a commercial project. With longer wavy teeth, these blades provide you faster and cleaner cuts in a wide variety of materials, while the quick blade changing system allows you fast fit with the oscillating tools. Overall, those who never want to compromise with features and quality in their cutting accessories should invest their money in this Vtopmart USV M01001 to get a lifelong isolating solution at an inexpensive price tag. So that was the list of the 7 best oscillating tool blades just for you.
Thanks for watching. We always crave to learn more. If you think we missed a product or should add it, we would love to know.
Like, comment, and share with your friends if you found this video helpful. Subscribe to our channel if you want more videos like this on your feed.